I had pain radiating out from my sternum throughout my torso. After a while, I started also feeling as if an ice pick was going through my left elbow. My name is Gerry Clyne. I was treated about 4 months ago at Clara Maass Medical Center for a heart attack. My 2 adult sons were here that day, and I said, "Hey guys, I'm not feeling too good." I told them what was going on, and I said, "I need to get to the hospital." I wanted to go to Clara Maass Medical Center because all my family has always been treated there. My wife is a registered nurse and is the president and CEO of Clara. The boy said, "Come on, let's go. We'll get you there as quickly as possible."
I felt very fortunate because I have the best team of medical care providers at the hospital, from our ED staff to the cath lab staff, cardiologist, and they rushed my husband into the emergency department.
When Gerry arrived to the emergency room of Clara Maass Medical Center, his symptoms included shortness of breath, chest tightness, diaphoresis, which means cold sweats, and somewhat a little bit of nausea. And he was clearly in distress.
I was having a heart attack, and the cardiologist, in consultation with the rest of the ER team, recognized I needed to go right into the cath lab, where it was determined I had an 85% and 100% blockage in my heart.
Dr. Shaktura took him to the cardiac catheterization, where he performed an emergency angiogram that showed that the artery was closed. And he performed an angioplasty by putting a balloon in that blocked artery to open it. And then once it was open, he put a stent to keep the artery open and prevent it from collapsing on itself.
I knew that there was something really wrong with him, but I did not feel a sense of angst that anything was going to happen to him. It was more of a calmness that came over me because I knew that he was in the best place that he could possibly be, without exception.
The whole team there in the cath lab, in the emergency room, the technicians, the doctors, the nurses, the care was just terrific. Professionalism, but compassionate as well.
You may stop and you may think, you know what, she's the president for Clara Maass Medical Center. Of course it's going to be great. I am here to tell you that had nothing to do with the genuine response, compassionate care that my husband received.
They were all just so compassionate. I really felt like I mattered to them, and I felt really fortunate to have been in their care.